Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and let's try to understand how to do the condition-based filtering in Tableau. For this, we'll go in Tableau and we will pick up the dimensions and measures. So, first of all, pick up the region from here and drop it into the columns. Then, I'll pick up the category from here and drop it into the rows. The next thing which I'll do is I'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the text. Press the plus sign, so I'll get the subcategories also. Now you pick up the sales from here and we want to do the filtration. So drop it into the filters. Let us try again. Pick up the sales here and drop it into the filters. It'll ask you a very basic question that the filtration is to be done according to sum, average, median, count. So we'll activate the first one according to the sum. Press next. It will ask that do you want to do the filtration right now? So by dragging this, you can do the filtration. This is one, at least on one side, at the most, spatial. So all these methods can be deployed for filtering the data. At present, keep the range of values only and press apply. Click OK. Now go here and activate show the filter. So you can see here the filters are ready. Now, when you drag your mouse, just see the tables. Those uh, those combinations, that is a combination of region and category, which are having less sales, will slowly start disappearing. You can see. Now, I can pick up the profit from here and I can drop it profit also in the filter. It will ask the same thing. It should be based on sum. Press next. Click apply, click OK. Now, activate from here. Show the filter. Now we want to see that which are the businesses which are having good sales, but they are loss-making businesses. It will directly filter the data and tell you that this particular, that is a business of table, is the sales are good, but it's a loss-making because uh, it's when I filter the data, it is on the lower side. Okay, now let us keep this negative only and try to expand this. Then also it will give me the same result that sales are high, but the profit is very, very low. Okay, now I will increase this from here to see which are the most profitable businesses, even the sales are low. So if I say that sales are low, let us keep this. You can see, you can shift this also. The entire thing also can be shifted. Uh, okay, so these two businesses, their sales are low, but their profits are quite good. See, their profits are quite good. Here we have only included the measure at present in the filtration. I can also include the dimension. So I'll pick up one of the region, or rather I'll drop the region into the filters and click OK. And here also I will activate show the filter. So I want to see that in which region we are doing good. East and in central, which are the good businesses where profits are high. I can remove the stick and see in east. I can remove the stick and I can see in south. I can remove the stick and I can see this in west. So this is a way you can work on condition-based filtering in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.